With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Welcome Doubtnut, we have a question. If several forces act on a particle, the total torque on the particle may be obtained by first finding the resultant force and then taking torque of this resultant. And we have to prove this. Is this result valid for the forces acting on different particles of a body in such a way that their lines of acting intersect at a common point? So first part is saying that we have several forces act on a single particle, and the total torque of particle we can obtain by adding the resultant of that forces and then taking the torque of this resultant by the formula of torque. Now you can suppose that this is point P at which all forces are acting, and this is axis of rotation. Now let's suppose this is force F1, this is F2, and these are forces, and this is Fi, general force. Now we can write torque as tau is equal to R cross F. Torque is equal to, let's suppose this is R cross F. So for force 1, that is F1, tau 1 will be R cross F1. Tau 2 will be R cross F2. Tau 3 will be R cross F3. So general, so tau I will equal to R cross Fi. Now if we want the net torque, what will we do? So net torque, we will add all the torques. So we will add all the torques. So what will we get? R cross F1 plus R cross F2. Similarly, R cross Fi. Now you can common R and we will get F1 plus F2 plus F3 Fi. So you can see here that this is the resultant of all the forces. And first part we have proved that the torque can be find out from the resultant force. So we can find out the net torque by the net force. Now second part is saying that is this result valid for the forces acting on different particles of a body in such a way that their lines of acting intersect at common? Here a single point, at single point all the forces are acting. What happened if all forces are acting on different points? Let's suppose we have body and it have different particles or point, and force is acting. Suppose F1 is acting here and F2 is acting here and F3 is acting here, and this is generally Fi also acting here. But what is common that the line of force is common for all. All lines of force will meet at the same point. Let's suppose this is our common point P and this is our axis of rotation. Now if these forces are acting on on different particles but having a same line of force meeting at same point, then what happened? We can shift these line of forces till this point P, and if we shift this line of force till point P, then we can assume that all forces are acting on the point P. And that's why the R vector for all the forces will be same. And we can find out torque as R cross F. So if all are acting on the same line of force, or we can say that if the line of forces of all the forces are meeting at the same point, then we can shift this line of force till point P, and we can assume that the all the forces are acting on the same point P, and we can find out the torque at the point P, tau is equal to R cross F. So we can say that this is valid. This is also valid for other points also, or for other or different points also. Thanks a lot.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.